Hi, I'm Dan from Hackmakers, and this is a quick introduction video for our competitors. Very soon you will begin working on some fantastic challenges, learn new things, and meet some amazing people during your hackathon journey. However, before we begin, we need to make sure that you've got the information that you need to be set up for success. Firstly, it's really important that we get you fully signed up. In my earlier video about the hackerspace, I mentioned that there are 3 key steps once you've created a Hackmakers account. Step 1 is making sure your details are updated for the hackathon. This helps us understand you so that we can help you connect with teams looking for your skill set or help teams find a mentor in your time zone. The second step is to access the hackerspace. Here you will find announcements about upcoming events, including some fantastic pre-hackathon workshops presented by our amazing sponsors. You will also find checklists to help you keep track of things like getting started, forming a team, building your solution, and preparing to submit for judging. You will also have access to the Resource Center, videos, datasets, guidelines, and FAQs. The last step is to make sure you can access our Slack space. Now that you're set up, let's talk about some important resources that can help you during the hackathon. These can be accessed via the FAQ. The first is the competitor guide. It will go into more details around what to expect during a hackathon, recommended Slack channels, and how to get help. The second is the Project Primer Pack. This contains guides along with a number of additional templates and helpful information you can use during the hackathon. Now that you've got access to these helpful resources, let's talk about teams. As I've mentioned in an earlier video, a recommended Hackmakers team is about 5 to 8 people. When forming your team, it's important to consider the skills and roles everyone will play. One way to do this is with a team charter. We've included an example in the Project Primer Pack. Why use a team charter? A charter can help lay out the expectations for a team early, along with how you will deal with decisions or resolve disputes. It's better to set out the process before you start instead of halfway through the competition when everyone is a little stressed and tired. You might start to form teams before the hackathon starts. We also have a Find a Team channel on Slack where you can talk about your skills and find a team. Or, if you already have a team, you can find people with the right skills to join it. A hackathon is a very short period of time, so you'll need to form teams quickly, set expectations early, and work positively and collaboratively together to achieve an outcome. Time boxing is critical. Work backwards from the submission deadline and determine how much time you have or can allow for idea generation, rapid build, and preparing your demo. You will also have access to mentors during the event. Mentors have experience across a wide variety of skills, not just technical expertise. If you need specific help, you can use the Ask a Mentor channel. You can ask any mentor for help, but you will also be allocated a primary mentor for the competition. However, you can choose your own mentor if you both agree. In addition, our amazing sponsors have specific channels for their tools and technologies. These channels start with Help With, for example, Help with Oracle, and Help with IBM, where you can get help and guidance. I hope this video gives you a brief overview of how to set up as a competitor. However, if you have any questions, you can always ask them in the Ask the Organizers channel and we'll be glad to help. Welcome to Hackmakers and happy hacking.